Bana ekitesa no kureleasinga banaffe ba Bizonto mwategeera nti babakwata nga bakoze video because tebalina musango gwe bamenya kubanga that's what we do as comedians. We talk about society, we mirror ebiba bi happenings mu society yaffe. Fena bye tuzanya tulaba biba bikoze eki bigenda maaso no bitubabye ku mawulire bye tulabye gye tuba tubeera byonna bye tukola ki bye tujjamu material ne tuzanya ate tubikola ngoba tubuli tribalism toba bichi ndoza mtu afena tuli ba mawanga malala na olaba kumpi wan tukavaringa Uganda yonna. We are not tribal, we are not sectarian in any way, but that is what art is. Era n'abatukulembera bannaife tetulwanisa government or anything. That's the reality. Comedy world over bwe bakola sigamba nti bakola ki everywhere in the world they talk about what happens in their society. Kuba tetusobola kuzanya bya China, tetusobola kuzanya bya America because that's not our culture. That's not what happens around us. Katusaba baba releasing unconditionally kuba tebalina kichamu kye bakola era tugezezaako kuba tubale tujja batugambye bayita Buganda Road ne tutekayo team ne batugamba simanyi nakawa abamu ne babeere abo ne bakibuli kati finally batugambye baleeta no KCCF fena tuzendo za mtulaba abamu bazze bannaffe ne bagenda nenga tebabaleese era katuli wano tumanyi nenga tusaba baba releasing abaloye bagambye unconditionally because they are not tribal, they have not broken any law. It is that they just mentioned about everything. The minister they talked about are the same ministers. The president is the same name. They come from the same region. We see. But it's not that because they have done quite a lot of other things to counter that. Kubafe twogera ku bintu ate to be resolving. Era kati abantu benyine ba Bizonto basobola kola ka peace nga addressing the same thing. So we should not create overreact. Our leaders should not overreact. Bino ebintu babajja batwebuzeko ngaffe balida ba comedy balida ba art national culture forum byonna so there shouldn't be any tension. No one should put tension to bitukoze. We are not attached to fighting a government. We are law abiding citizens. We are creatives. That's how we create about our society. Tuzanya biri mu society yaffe. So kati abantu tebabeere ate bone bali interpreting ebintu based on what is not there. No. So they should be released unconditionally and they be free because they didn't break any law. Thank you very much. Alex Mwanji mmanyi, Dickson Zizinga tichampamire era azanyanga president mmanyi sajja kalera mmanyi ne bubinyo ndereya mumutegera. Yeah, some people have been here they are not here. We are on the group coordinating and everything. Ate tulina ne step je tugenda okola because we'll be introducing that. We are legally going to take on these laws as artists, not only comedians. We have an association yaba artists from all spheres. Kubanga art is not about comedy, it's not about music. It is big. So we are consolidating our position legally, and of course we are also doing petitions that we're going to with different stakeholders in government, and eventually we shall go to court because these laws are not anywhere in the world. They are so repressive. They are affecting freedom of speech. So tujja kuba tubabulira when we are officially unveiling our campaign and our petitions and our lawsuits by all artists, not only comedians, artists under the Uganda National Culture Forum. So we'll let you know very soon when we finalize our position.
That is provided for by the Constitution has lapsed. We are now into the next 10 hours after the 48. So clearly there is an infringement of their constitutional right in terms of detention beyond the prescribed time, but also the unfairness and the insensitivity that this whole state of affairs has occasioned to their family members who have been waiting here to ensure that they are released on bail because they are still innocent until proven guilty. Now that they have not been produced for plea taking, we shall wait upon the state to see when they will be produced for plea taking. We hope that the state can abide by the Constitution and ensure that these people will turn up tomorrow. And upon doing so, we anticipate that we should be able to apply for bail and take it up from there.
So what are you doing about them government failing to present them today? What are you doing about
it? We anticipate that they will be produced. The police, we have a law that takes breach of constitutional provisions or taking the law in your hands by individual police officers. Now, you can easily bear the brunt of that particular law in case you decide to infringe on someone's rights casually. So in the event that they are not produced in the next 2 days, our next course of action would be to apply to court for unconditional release. Because once you keep someone for 48 hours, then the law permits you to seek redress for an unconditional release, because it never envisaged keeping someone beyond the 48 hours. So that is most likely to be our next course of action, but we anticipate that it will be preempted by the police ensuring that these people turn up tomorrow. Yes. Good evening.